Hey everybody, it's Scott here at O'Connor Chrysler, standing in, I'd love to say the snow, but I'm standing in the rain with our newest salesperson, Keyanna. Hi, say hi, Keyanna.
Hi, Keyanna.
All right, she's taking over well for Ebony, who's not with us this week, but she'll be back next week for Rare Find Fridays. So we got a couple of vehicles to tell you about. Ladies first, what have you got to tell us about?
I have a beautiful 2021 Wrangler two-door Willys Edition. It is practically a brand new car with a used price. It only has 9,800 kilometers, one owner. It's never been taken off-road. He loved the Jeep, but decided on a four-door. Because it comes with a Willy package, you get the aggressive tread on the tires. It has cloth interior and an automatic transmission. If you'd like to learn any more, I work here at O'Connor. My name is Keyanna. Give me a call.
All right, nice,
Back to
beautiful
Scott.
vehicle. And guess what I have? I have a 2022, kind of the same thing. I've got basically a brand new vehicle, but it's got a used car price as well, $55,899. This is a 2022, as I mentioned, 6,800 kilometers. Not quite as minty as that one, but pretty darn new. Mine has leather interior. This is an unlimited edition, so it's got the color matched hood. It's got a spectacular interior, loads and loads of features. But again, if you want to hear more, don't call me, call Keyanna. She's our newest salesperson. She'll tell you everything you know. And remember, everything we do is driven by you. That's how new she is. See you next week. Bye, everybody.